Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to hide your WhatsApp online status from specific contacts. First of all, open the WhatsApp application, tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on the settings option. In the settings you will see different options. Select the privacy option. In the privacy section, tap on the option last seen and online. Here you will find who can see my personal information. Under it, tap on my contacts except. All your contacts will appear here. Tap on the ones from whom you want to hide your online activity. After that, tap on the tick symbol. Now these people won't be able to see your last scene. But to select that who can't see you online, again select the option last seen and online. Here under the who can see when I'm online section, you will see two options. Tap on same as last seen. Now from the same people that we selected earlier, online activity status will be hidden. This is how you can hide your WhatsApp online status from specific contacts.